Hello everyone, this is Carol and today we're going to talk about the Hootsuite API and a more effective alternative that it's Late. We will compare both platforms, show their features and explain why Late might be the smarter choice for your workflow. Hootsuite is one of the oldest social media management platforms. It was created at a time when we were just starting to use multiple networks at once, and its big value was centralizing everything in just one place. It's one of the most popular tools for managing social media. Its API lets you automate posts, access analytics, and manage multiple accounts from a single place. The problem is that over the years, the tool has become complex, heavy, and expensive. Sometimes it feels more like it's made for large corporations than for creators or small teams. Some important limitations are its API can be tricky to set up and isn't always intuitive. Usage limits and fees can get expensive for small business or developers, and sometimes the documentation isn't very clear, which can slow down adding new features. Now let's talk about Late, our recommended alternative. Late is much more recent and was born in a completely different context. The world of creators, startups, and teams that need speed, simplicity, and fair pricing. Instead of offering 100 features you rarely use, Late focuses on the essentials: scheduling content, organizing publishing calendars, and making collaboration easy. Like Hootsuite, Late allows you to schedule posts across multiple social networks and automate workflows. What sets Late apart is it has easier integration. You can start using the API in minutes, or you can post directly through the dashboard. It's more affordable and it has scalable pricing to fit your needs. And you have clear documentation with practical examples, perfect for developers. So this makes Late not just an alternative but often an upgrade over Hootsuite. Let's compare Hootsuite directly with Late. On the one hand, Hootsuite offers decent integration, but it can be complex for those without technical experience. Late, on the other hand, focuses on simplicity, allowing any developer to get started within minutes. When it comes to pricing, Hootsuite generally falls into the mid to high range, which can be a barrier for startups or smaller teams, while Late, as we already said, provides much more affordable and scalable plans that adapt to different budgets. No worries, we will talk later about pricing. In terms of automation, both platforms do the job, but Late stands out with more flexibility and powerful workflows designed to save time and reduce errors. The same applies to documentation and support. Hootsuite can sometimes lack clarity and feel limited, while Late supports developers with practical examples and a complete step-by-step guide. So the documentation is very complete. Finally, looking at multi-account management and analytics, both platforms support managing several networks. Though Late does not yet offer any analytics, it does provide greater flexibility. All in all, Late not only matches what Hootsuite offers, but also improves on the key areas users value most. One of the biggest differences between Hootsuite and Late is the user experience. With Hootsuite, many users report that every simple action feels confusing because something isn't intuitive. It can feel super overwhelming, especially if you just want to get content out quickly. Hootsuite is functional, yes, obviously, but it's slow. Now let's take a look at Late. Late was designed with simplicity. Its interface is modern, clean, and above all, intuitive. Your calendar, your scheduled posts, and your social media accounts are all accessible with just a couple of clicks. And the result, you can spend more time creating content, more time engaging your audience, and less time figuring out the tool itself. So, how does posting content work? With Hootsuite, you can post directly from the dashboard, but even a single post can feel complicated. You have to connect all your social networks, navigate the scheduling interface, and make sure everything is set up correctly. For advanced users, you might even go through the API, which involves generating access tokens and writing multiple lines of code just to get one post out. It can take several minutes or longer just to automate posts, while in late, posting is much simpler. You can publish directly from the dashboard with just a few clicks, or use the API with a few lines of code to post multiple networks at once. Whether you prefer the interface or the API, posting content is quickly and intuitive. Time to look at pricing. Let's start with Hootsuite. Hootsuite's plans are expensive and aimed at large companies. For an individual creator or a small team, it can be excessive. While Late offers much more affordable and scalable plans, you can start small and grow as your team and social media presence grow without overspending. This is a comparison table to see it clearer. Hootsuite does not have a free plan. The starting price is 99 euros per month. This plan is called Standard, and it includes unlimited scheduled posts, one user up to 5 social accounts, AI tools for caption, hashtags and content, and analytics. The advantages are that Hootsuite is very complete, great for big agencies with brand, monitoring and reporting included. About limitations, well, as we said before, Hootsuite is very complex, not for beginners, and does not have a full free plan, so you cannot try it for free. Now Late offers a free plan with 2 profiles, 10 social accounts per profile, so 20 social accounts, and 10 posts per month. That is great for a free plan. Then the starting price is $13 per month, and this is a bulk plan. You have 120 posts per month, 10 profiles up to 100 accounts, social accounts. You have full API access, unlimited users, and you also have first comment scheduling for Facebook and LinkedIn. The advantages are that Late has a very intuitive dashboard, all in one platform for posting and scheduling, and it's very suitable for both small and large businesses. Some of the limitations are that some advanced features are still in development because Late is kind of new. In summary, Hootsuite is still a useful tool, obviously, but if you want speed, flexibility, and a simpler integration, Late is the perfect alternative. If you want to try Late for free, visit getlate.dev. You will find documentation, examples, and everything you need to start automating your social media today. Give this video a like if you found it helpful, subscribe for more content like this, and comment below which API you use in your projects. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!